women, we don't value men who takes good care of us, especially married women who are employed. Guys, most of the married women who are employed are few who respect their husband. You understand? Especially that woman who earns a lot of salary than their husband. Because nowadays, guys, there is 50-50. You understand? That woman, she earns a lot of salary. Maybe she have got a car, her own properties. It's difficult that woman respects you. Maybe she respects you before she was employed. But a woman, once she have got a lot of money, she is independent. It's so difficult that woman to respect you. You understand? So some of the women, we have to respect our men because, guys, nowadays it's so difficult to find a person who loves you. Nowadays, even there is some of the rich women, they've got money, but they don't have partners. You understand? They don't have men who takes good care of them because to take good care of you, it's not means that person have got a lot of money. That man, he have got a lot of money. Some men, they don't have a lot of money, but they takes good care of their women. They love their women. You understand? Guys, you have to be happy with your person. Just because some of the women, they are cheating. Understand? They are cheating to their husband, especially, guys, when you are employed. Maybe those people you are working with, your workmates, some of your workmates are men. You understand? Maybe those people, they are better than your husband. Some of the men, they are better than your husband, but you have to value your person, you who loves you most of the times, because you have to respect your husband, guys. Because most of the people, they are cheating, most of the women who are employed, and that person is married, but they are cheating on their husband. You understand? They are cheating on their husband. Guys, it's so difficult because once your husband divorcing you, that person, he is not going to marry you. You understand? He is leaving you just because you are divorcing to your husband. And especially men nowadays, they are dating married women because they don't want. Guys, men nowadays, they dating married women. You understand? But once you divorce to your husband, because when you a married woman once divorced to her husband, that person you are cheating with, he is not going to marry you. You understand? Like Mapiti, you understand? He is not going to marry you. Scheme some, guys, most of the people, they are learning a lesson. It happens, guys. It happens in many families, in many couples, that situation of Mapitsi. You understand? Because, guys, we have to learn through scheme. We have to learn.